Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration.
Modern minimalist house, nestled deep in a lush rainforest, hyperrealistic, dark gray stone facade, black metal accents, large windows with warm interior light, multiple levels, tropical greenery overflowing around the house, outdoor patio area with a fire pit, brown and beige furniture, warm neutral colors, gray stone patio, impressionistic lighting, evening scene, foggy atmosphere, natural light filtering through trees, detailed foliage, smooth stone textures, realistic perspective, detailed lighting, high-quality render. Photorealistic, modern, minimalist house, nestled in a lush forest, late afternoon light, stone exterior, dark gray/charcoal siding and roofing, large glass windows, showcasing warm interior ambient light, outdoor patio area with a lap pool, fire pit, dark gray flagstone patio and decking, dense greenery surrounding the property, trees in warm autumn tones, contemporary architecture, depth of field, 3D render, environmental lighting, impressive landscaping, calm, serene atmosphere. No harsh shadows, detailed textures. Modern, minimalist, contemporary house exterior, hyperrealistic, daylight, light beige and white facade, large windows with black frames, exterior stone accents, multiple levels with balconies and terraces, landscaped garden with lush greenery, small pool, sleek design, mountain backdrop, calm atmosphere, smooth stone patio and steps, dark brown wooden accents, natural light, soft shadows, trees, daylight, slightly overcast, elegant, clean lines, high quality, 4K, detailed. Photorealistic, architectural photography, smooth textures, outdoor living space, stylish patio furniture unseen but implied. Modern, dark gray/charcoal contemporary house nestled in lush green tropical forest, hyperrealistic, large windows with warm interior light, dark gray/charcoal exterior, wooden deck leading to the house, plants/foliage surrounding the house, green, deep greens, and browns, small water feature, multiple levels, sleek, clean lines, natural light filtering through windows, warm, inviting interior space visible through glass, smoky gray/charcoal chimney, trees create depth and shadow, detailed landscaping, detailed architecture, high-quality architectural rendering, exterior, lighting on house and plants, smooth, subtle lighting gradients, focus on the building's architectural elements, not a wide-angle shot. Contemporary minimalist house, hyperrealistic, large windows, modern architecture, white facade, black frames, wooden deck, lush green landscaping, tropical garden, pond reflecting the house, warm golden sunset light, interior living space visible through glass, sofa, coffee table, plants, high-quality 8K, detailed, smooth lighting, Zen garden aesthetic, elegant, detailed stone pathways, balcony with greenery, calm tranquil scene, no shadows, realistic reflections. Impressionistic lighting, smooth transitions between colors. High quality, hyperrealistic interior shot of a modern, spacious living area. Large windows with sliding glass doors showcasing a tropical garden, lots of greenery. Beige, cream, and light brown color palette. L-shaped sectional sofa with beige/cream cushions and throw pillows in orange and muted terracotta. Low coffee table in beige/cream. Area rug with a textured pattern in beige, cream, and light browns. Concrete walls and wood paneling. Dark brown wood cabinetry with integrated entertainment center and TV. Indoor plants scattered around, adding to the tropical feel. Natural light streaming in, casting warm shadows. Focus on the sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. Modern house, contemporary architecture, hyperrealistic, large home, multiple levels, white stucco exterior, dark wood accents, glass walls, large windows, green landscaping, gardens, tiered stone patios and seating areas, pool with blue-gray stones, lush greenery, trees, bright sunlight, midday lighting, warm tones, minimalism, high-quality photography, detailed facade, outdoor living spaces, balconies, rooftop gardens, elegant design, tropical setting, detailed shadows. Perspective, wide shot, no shadows of people. Photorealistic, outdoor patio area, modern wooden pergola with brick walls, warm light, lush garden with vibrant orange and yellow flowers, patio furniture, gray couch with mustard yellow cushions, coffee table, dining area inside the pergola with dark brown wooden tables and chairs, sunlight dappling through trees, tropical plants, detailed textures of wood, brick, stone, plants, soft focus on the flowers. Golden hour lighting, slightly pixelized, impressionistic elements in the garden, detailed shadows, high contrast, midday sun, fresh and vibrant colors. Hyperrealistic, impressionist, sunlit, modern Japanese-style home exterior. Large, overhanging, warm-toned, terracotta, burnt orange, concrete roof structure. Lush, green gardens with vibrant red-orange fall foliage. Small water feature/waterfall cascading into a shallow reflecting pool, light reflecting on the still water. Warm, golden light rays streaming through the trees, highlighting the leaves and creating bright sunbeams. Modern wooden deck, dark gray concrete planters with decorative plants and flowers. View of interior living area with dark sofa through glass sliding doors. Stones and small decorative elements in the garden. Detailed textures in foliage and materials. Soft, natural light. Hyperrealistic, modern minimalist house, surrounded by lush garden, early morning sunlight, warm golden hour lighting, large windows showcasing tranquil interior, dark gray exterior walls, light brown wooden accents, paved stone patio with orange/terracotta furniture, variety of colorful flowers, yellows, oranges, reds, pinks, rocks and plants, well-maintained landscape design. Natural stones used for pathways, deep green foliage, peaceful and serene atmosphere, detailed textures of wood, plants, and stone, subtle shadows, detailed perspective, cinematic lighting, 8K resolution. Modern minimalist Zen garden interior, hyper-realistic, large windows, warm sunlight streaming in, stone and wood floors, low seating cushions of dark brown/gray, a small Zen rock garden visible through the large glass panels, lush green landscaping, natural light, warm beige and brown color palette, smooth stone accents, calm and serene atmosphere, focus on natural light and shadows, wood-framed windows. Minimalist architecture, interior design, sun-dappled light and shadows on the floor, fireplace visible in the back, plants fill the garden area, smooth transitions between interior and exterior, high quality, photorealistic, stunning detail.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.